Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about a very basic topic in computer applications, that is computer networks. Okay, so this is a very basic topics. Here we will be covering computer networks in like the basics of computers networks. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let's understand what is a computer network. Okay, so a computer network is basically what? A computer network is an interconnected set of systems that share the information. Okay, so that share the information. Now in case of computer networks, one very important word is interconnected. So computer networks के case में the computers need to be interconnected with each other. Okay. Now in case of computer networks, the second thing that comes is that what are the elements or what are the components of computer network. Okay. So what are the components of computer network? So the computer network के components, there are 5 components. These are, first of all, that there is a sender computer or sender machine. The second one is the sender equipment, which is the modem. Okay, sender equipment is there. That is your modem. Then you have the third thing, that is your receiver equipment. Okay, receiver equipment. Again, the receiver equipment is same as modem. The fourth thing is the receiver computer. So we have the receiver computer. Okay, and the thing that joins all of them together is the fifth important thing, that is the communication channel. Okay, so the communication channel is the very important thing. This communication channel is basically what? Is the interconnection amongst all these 5 entries. Okay, so data communication and data or computer network basically refers to what? It refers to the digital transmission of the information. So it refers to the digital transmission of the information. Okay, now when we talk about computer network, so there are different types of computer network. There are different types. Broadly there are 3 types. So first is your local area network, which is known as LAN, local area network. Then we have is where the range is very less, range is up to few kilometers. Then after the local area network we have is the metropolitan area network, which is MAN. Okay, metropolitan area network. And we have is the third, that is wide area network. Now there are some further extension to these 3. These are the basic ones. There are some further extensions. So these further extensions are basically what? These further extensions include, like we have campus area network, personal area network, home area network. So these are some of the extensions which are based out of these 3 basic categories. Okay. Now coming on and moving on further, that the next thing that we'll be discussing is the transmission modes in a computer network. Okay, so we'll be discussing transmission modes in computer network. So when we talk about transmission modes in computer network, so there are basically 3 types of transmission modes. Okay, so we can say that there is these 3 types are basically what? These are bifurcated into 2 types. उसी का there is 3 type. So first is the simplex communication transmission mode, and another is the duplex communication mode. But this duplex is it is bifurcated into half duplex and full duplex. Okay, now let's understand what is this half duplex and what is this full duplex. Okay, first of all let's understand कि simplex communication क्या होती है. Simplex communication system के अंदर क्या होता है, that simplex communication system के अंदर that there is one source and only the source is sending the information to the receiver. So only the source is sending the information. So only source is sending the information to the receiver. This is the simplex communication. Coming on to this duplex one. So in duplex we have half duplex and we have full duplex. So half duplex के केस में क्या होता है? In case of your half duplex, that there is source and there is receiver. ठीक है? अब let's discuss it like this. There is source and there is receiver. और यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास एक source है और यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास एक receiver है. अब हाफ डुप्लेक्स के केस में क्या होता है? हाफ डुप्लेक्स के केस में कि सोर्स जो है वन टाइम द सोर्स विल सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन, सेकेंड टाइम द रिसीवर विल सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इसका एग्जांपल इज बेस्ट. वॉकी टॉकी इज एन एग्जांपल. सो आइदर द सोर्स और द रिसीवर विल सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन. So at a time only one person will be sending the information, another person will be receiving the information. In case of full duplex के केस में क्या होता है? The source and the receiver are sending the information simultaneously. So this is the difference between the transmission modes in case of the half duplex and full duplex communication channel. Now when we talk about network, so another important topic in case of network is the network topology. So what is topology? Topology basically means the arrangement. Topology means arrangement of the equipments. Okay. So network topology basically means what? The arrangement with which the computer systems and the network devices are connected with each other. Now there are different types of topology. The first topology that I am discussing is the mesh topology. Mesh topology as the name suggests, mesh के अंदर क्या होता है कि जो भी सारे systems होते हैं, these systems are connected with each other. ये सब एक दूसरे के साथ connected होते हैं. These are fully connected with each other. So this is an example of fully connected mesh topology. After mesh topology, we have the another topology that is known as the bus topology. Bus topology के केस में क्या होता है? That there is a central backbone or there is a central network, and this is the central backbone of the network, and to this backbone the systems are connected with each other. Okay, so this is known as a common bus topology. Okay, the third one, so this is the second one. This is the first one that we have discussed. The third one is the ring topology. So as the name suggests, ring. Ring के केस में क्या होता है? Ring के केस में all the systems are connected with each other in a circular fashion, making a ring. Okay. Now इसकी disadvantage क्या है? इसकी disadvantage ये है कि if suppose this system is not functioning, it is not functioning, so the entire network will not function. The entire network will not function. This system will be waiting, this system will be waiting, and this system will be waiting. So this is the disadvantage of the ring topology. Okay, next is the fourth one, that is the star topology, and this is also known as a hub and spoke topology. Star, or we can also say it as hub and spoke topology. Hub and spoke topology के केस में what happens is that there is a central hub. Okay, there is a central hub, and through this central hub all the networks are connected with each other. and this is the central hub, and these are the terminal nodes. Okay, so these are the different types of topology. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope that you would have definitely liked the video and you would have learned something about computer networks in this video. The basics of computer networks we had tried to cover in this short video. So if you have liked the content that we have shared, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel, and also share this with your friends and classmates. Thank you